So, hello English learners. Our today's topic is the role of women in society. Okay, so as you know, like every day we are taking one topic and we are speaking on that particular topic for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or 4 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever the information or knowledge you have. Okay, so let's speak on that particular topic, the role of women in society. And I always talk like this is called the extempore, like you have to speak on the spot without any preparation. Okay, so I don't have any note, I don't have anything, just I'm going to speak on the topic. Okay, so our today's my today's topic is the role of women in society. So first I would like to say women plays a vital role in the society. Like I would say, like women are not the backbone of the society, they are the foundation of the society, because women play lots of role in terms of mother, in terms of sister, in terms of daughter, in terms of wives. They are helping the society. In If I talk about the past, so what happened, they were not given the equal opportunity in the society. People are not teaching, giving them education. People are not supporting them. But if we talk now, so now people understand, like yes, they can also grow, they can also uh, walk with man. Okay, we have to provide the equal opportunity to the women. And now if I talk about the women, so they are taking the education, we are providing the education, society is providing the education, and they are growing in their life. If we talk, like women are becoming the doctor, they are becoming the teacher, they are becoming the engineer, they are also becoming the pilots, and they are becoming the policy maker. So they are playing the vital role in the society. If we talk, like women are playing an amazing role in the household. In past, they were working only in household. They were just doing the household work. But nowadays, they are working with man. Okay, they are working in the companies. They are working in private sector or public sector, in government sectors. They are working everywhere. So nowadays the society understand, like if we are going to give the education to the women, they are going to become anything. They can become anything. Whatever the man is becoming, they can also become. Okay, so we are now providing the education, and we understand, like if women can just manage the household things, so she can also manage everything whatever the men are doing. Okay, so now women are just growing in their career. If she is going to take the education, she is going to grow in his life, and also society is also going to grow if women are educated. Okay, so our just society's responsibility is to just provide better education, because education can transform the women, and women can transform the society. So our main responsibility is to just help the women. And in conclusion, I would like to say, in the past, we were not the society were not provided the equal opportunity to the women. Now our turn, our responsibility is to give the equal opportunity to the women, so they can also grow, and society will also grow. So this was the my topic, the role of women in the society. So I hope you understand. I have shared some key points, like how the women are helping to the society. So thanks for today.